Good morning, class. Welcome to your final overview for unit number 2, figure drawing. In this lesson 3 overview, we will discuss, as always, the tasks that need to be completed for this lesson and how to complete everything accurately so you can earn the most points possible. All right, for your learning goal, you are mainly refining your figurative artwork from last lesson. That creates a mood and feeling within the artwork. The best way to do that is to clean up any underdrawings and maybe create some shading and shadows, and including an environment and background that would help basically summarize and support that mood and feeling that your your figure was creating in their pose in your drawing. That will be explained in a little bit more detail in the lesson 3 instructional video below. For your central question, excuse me, how do artists create mood or feeling within an artwork? We want to make sure that we really think about that so we know how to answer that for your essential question in your learning log at the end of this lesson. And then lastly, vocabulary. Your vocabulary words for this lesson are figure and unity. And sorry guys, I don't know what's on my throat this morning. But first, as always, watch your lesson 3 vocab video right here. Then complete your entrance ticket and answer all 3 questions for 3 points. You are learning the words figure and unity, so make sure you write those definitions from the video. Please do not Google or make up your own definition. And lastly, how do artists create mood or feeling within an artwork? This will basically be practice for your essential question in your learning log. And then after you've done your entrance ticket, watch the lesson 3 instructional video, which is very important, so please do that. Even if you already think you know what to do, please watch these videos, because I guarantee there's always something that's going to help and support your progress, because everything is designed for your success and to make things as easy on you as possible. And then lastly, for the end of the lesson for your art task, you'll attach a photo of your refined figurative artwork that creates mood and feeling with a background environment. Now, I really highlighted refined because last week you had to revise your drawing just to make sure it was in proper proportions and added some more detail. But this time you're really refining it. You're really making it as perfect as you can, making it look as much like those lesson examples that I showed you in lesson 1 of those 3 finished examples, really refining it and even adding a background. So just make it as clean and precise as you can. And then, of course, submit it to the lesson 3 progress photos discussion so that I can give you feedback and guidance before you submit it to the final assignment. Again, if your project is finished, please don't just submit it to the photos discussion. Also submit it to the final project assignment, because that is where I'm going to grade it out of 100 points. All right, so as far as the navigation, watch this video below, number 2, then complete number 3, your entrance ticket, then watch number 4, the instructional video, and here are some of those very refined examples right here. I discussed some of that as well. And then lastly, just submit your photos here before you submit them for your final. Remember, this is not your final submission. Your final submission will be, sorry that my camera is moving all over the place. Your final submission, again, will be here, just like the last unit. Please submit your final picture here so I can grade it for 100 points. And then make sure you complete your learning log at the end of the unit so you can get those additional 26 points, where you will be responsible for matching the vocabulary definitions, discussing, writing an artist statement about your lesson production, and lastly, answering your essential question about how artists create mood and feeling in an artwork. So please do all those things, and that concludes this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you all in class in the lesson vocabulary video below. All right, guys, I'll see you in class. Bye.